everyone, today we are going to crochet carnation. Let's crochet the flower first. Take out the white yarn and wrap it around your middle finger. Work chain 3 as standing stitch. Then we crochet DC stitches in magic ring. Make a mark on the first double crochet. Then continue to work 17 double crochets, a total of 18 in round 1. When 18 DC stitches has been finished, fasten off the loop. Take down the stitch marker. Work slip stitch in the first stitch. Continue to work chain 3. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Then work a DC stitch. Continue to work 18 DC stitches from round 2 to round 4. Marks on the first stitch. Work slip stitch in the marked stitch when finished. Work chain 3 in the beginning. Continue to work 18 DC stitches from round 3 to round 4. Finish round 2 to 4 as the above. Now let's start to work round 5. Work chain 3 in the beginning. We'll continue to work 3 DC stitches in every stitch next. Work a DC stitch in the stitch where slip stitch worked. Continue to work 2 DC stitches in the same stitch. We'll work 3 DC stitches in every stitch in round 5 and round 6. When finishing round 5, work slip stitch in the beginning's chain 3 stitch. Work 3 DC stitches in every stitch in round 6 the same way. Finish round 6 as the above. The last stitch of round 6. Work an incomplete DC stitch at first. Yarn over and pull yarn through front 2 loops. We need to change yarn now. We can cut off the white yarn, change to pink yarn then. Yarn over and pull yarn through the 2 loops. Fasten off the yarn ends. Work slip stitch in the first stitch. Pull the yarns over the hook. Then work a slip stitch. Then fasten off the yarn ends. Work a chain. Work a single crochet in the same stitch then. Notice, make the first stitch with stitch marker is beginner friendly. Then continue to work chain 3. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Then work a single crochet. Continue to work chain 3. Work a single crochet and chain 3 into next stitch then. Work a single crochet and chain 3 as a set to finish this round. Continue to work a single crochet and chain 3 in the last stitch. Take down the stitch marker. Work slip stitch in the first stitch. Cut off the yarn. Pull yarn through the loop. Fasten off the yarn ends. Conceal all the yarn ends to make it tidy. Change to green yarn to work flower base. In magic ring, work 10 single crochets. When finishing 10 single crochet stitches, fasten off the loop. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. No need to conceal yarn ends. Work a chain extending stitch to start round 2. Work a single crochet in the slip stitch. Work an increase in the next stitch then. Increase means work 2 single crochet stitches in one stitch. Work a single crochet and an increase as a set to finish this round. We need to work 5 sets to finish this round. There are 15 stitches in total in round 2. Work slip stitch in the first stitch when finished. Crochet chain 1. Continue to work 15 single crochets from round 3 to round 11. Finish round 3 to 11 as the above. Work a slip stitch when finishing round 11. Crochet chain 1. Then we'll continue to work a half double crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. Crochet a chain 2 picot then. Crochet chain 2, coming back to the last third stitch. Insert hook into the 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Work a slip stitch in the stitch. Then work a double crochet and a half double crochet into the next stitch. Crochet 1 chain. Work a slip stitch in the next stitch. Crochet 1 chain. Work a half double crochet, a double crochet, and 1 chain to picot stitch in the next stitch. Then work a double crochet, a half double crochet, and 1 chain in the next stitch. Work slip stitch in the next stitch. Crochet all the 3 sets as the above. There are 5 sets in total in this round. Find the stitch where we'll work slip stitch. That is the stitch in the middle between first and the last stitch. Work a slip stitch in this stitch. Then cut off yarn and pull yarn through. Conceal all the yarn ends. Now we'll work the leaves parts. We need work 2 leaves, a large one and a small one. Now we'll work small leaf. Pull yarn through. Crochet 1 chain and fasten off the loop. Then we'll need to work 11 chains as foundation chain yarn. When finish all 11 chains, insert hook into the second chain from the hook. Add the 0.4 mm soft wire. Put the wire over the hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops. This is a single crochet stitch. But on the first single crochet stitch, work a single crochet into next stitch. Work 6 half double crochets correspondingly in the next stitches. Work 1 more single crochet into next stitch. Work 3 single crochets in the last stitch then. Work the other side as the above method. Work a single crochet, 6 half double crochet, and 2 single crochets in the other side. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch when finished. Work a chain and cut off yarn. Now we'll work large leaf. Work chain 13 as foundation chain yarn. Insert hook into the second chain from the hook. Add the 0.4 mm soft wire. Work a single crochet. Work 1 more single crochet in the next stitch. Work 8 half double crochet correspondingly in the next stitches. Then work a single crochet into the next stitch. Work 3 single crochets in the last stitch then. Work the other side as the above method. Work a single crochet, 8 double crochets, and 2 single crochets in the other side. Crochet as the above to finish this round. Work slip stitch in the first stitch when finished. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. Tie up all the yarn ends. Congratulations, you're done!